The method we'll be discussing in this video is a powerful manifestation technique that's founded on the teachings of Neville Goddard, and it can transform your life in just 1 week or less. This technique is simple, enjoyable, and can help you easily achieve bigger goals in your life. So if you're looking to manifest your dreams and desires effortlessly, then make sure to watch this video until the end. We'll be sharing with you the steps you need to take to create the life you've always wanted. Don't miss out on this life-changing technique. Neville Goddard was a renowned mystic writer of the previous century, and his teachings have transformed the lives of millions of people. He suggested numerous methods for manifesting desires through the power of thought. However, the method we're going to teach in this video is one that most people don't know about. This technique is founded on the lessons of Neville Goddard and is based on the law of assumption. If you can hold it in your head, you can hold it in your hand. Shitty's Pogatstresta completed. Welcome to our channel, where we share valuable insights and techniques to help you achieve your desired goals. In this video, we will be discussing Neville Goddard's most powerful visualization technique, which can help you manifest anything you desire in a week or less. Whether it's financial abundance, a dream career, or a fulfilling relationship, this technique has the power to transform your life. So, if you want to learn how to use your thoughts to create your reality and effortlessly achieve your goals, then watch this video until the end. Intro. Neville Goddard was a renowned mystic writer of the previous century, and his teachings have transformed the lives of millions of people. He suggested numerous methods for manifesting desires through the power of thought. However, the method we're going to teach in this video is one that most people don't know about. This technique is founded on the lessons of Neville Goddard and is based on the law of assumption. If you can hold it in your head, you can hold it in your hand. This technique is simple, enjoyable, and takes only 1 week or less to complete. Body. The law of assumption is the foundation of this technique. It states that if you can picture yourself having what you desire, you will have it. Your assumptions about what you desire harden into realities. Therefore, you must make optimistic assumptions about your goals, trust that they are true, and hold them in your mind's eye. The first stage is to identify your goal. To clarify your goal, ask yourself what it is and why you want it. Knowing the reason for your goal allows you to understand yourself better and make the best use of your imagination. You may have many goals, but you must choose the best one for you. Assume you want to manifest money. Why do you want to bring money into your life? What do you intend to do with your money? What do you intend to purchase with the money you wish to manifest? This is how you get clear on your desire, which is essential because it allows you to find more of it. Let's say your goal is to manifest a new car. To clarify why you want it, you might ask yourself, do you want it because your current car is unreliable and breaks down often? Do you want it because you're embarrassed to show up to work in your old, beaten-up car? Or do you want it because it's a symbol of success and accomplishment? Once you've identified your goal and why you want it, you can move on to the next stage of the technique. The second stage entails writing down your goals as affirmations. Simply write your affirmations on a sheet of paper or sticky notes. The ideal way to write your goals is to act as if you have manifested your wish, that it has been done, and that you are now experiencing it. For example, suppose you want to manifest a particular amount of money. In that case, your affirmation should be something like, I have manifested $2,000 in my life. Or let's say you want to manifest a job. In that case, your affirmation should be something like, I'm thankful because I got the job I wanted. The goal of these affirmations is to keep reminding yourself that you have manifested, so that your mind can believe it. You can make these affirmations in your smartphone's background, so you can see them every time you check your phone. Stick these sticky notes to your bathroom mirror so you can read them again and again whenever you go in to take a bath. Somewhere in your bedroom or even your workplace, in a place where you will see them most of the time. The primary idea is to convince your mind that you have already achieved your goal, and these affirmations will help you do just that. The third stage of the technique is the most crucial one, visualization. Visualization is the process of creating vivid mental images of what you desire. Neville Goddard believed that when you imagine your wish as if it were already a reality, your subconscious mind is triggered to attract that reality into your life. To begin the visualization process, find a quiet and comfortable place where you can focus on your thoughts. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your mind and body. Now, imagine yourself in a situation where you have already achieved your goal. For instance, if you want to manifest a new car, imagine yourself driving it. Feel the texture of the steering wheel, the smell of the leather seats, and the sound of the engine. Visualize yourself in a happy state, with a smile on your face, feeling grateful and joyful that you have manifested your goal. Make sure to engage all your senses during this visualization process. Feel the emotions, taste the flavors, hear the sounds, see the colors, and smell the scents. The more realistic and vivid your visualization, the more powerful the impact it will have on your subconscious mind. The final stage of the technique is to repeat the visualization process every day for a week or until your goal has manifested. Each day, take at least 10 minutes to visualize your wish and feel the emotions associated with achieving it. As you repeat this process, your subconscious mind will start to accept your wish as a reality, and you will begin to see opportunities and synchronicities that will help you manifest your goal effortlessly. Let's say that your goal is to manifest a promotion at work. You've been working hard and feel that you deserve it, but for some reason, you haven't been able to make it happen. By using Neville Goddard's visualization technique, you can focus your thoughts and emotions on your desired outcome and attract the promotion you want. First, you need to identify your goal clearly. Ask yourself why you want the promotion. Is it because you want a higher salary, more responsibility, or more recognition? Knowing the reason for your goal will help you create a more detailed mental image of what you want. Once you've identified your goal and why you want it, you can start using affirmations to reinforce your belief that you've already achieved it. For example, you could create an affirmation like, "I am grateful for my new promotion and the increased salary and recognition that come with it." You could repeat this affirmation to yourself several times a day, especially before going to bed and upon waking up in the morning. Next, you can use visualization to make your desired outcome more tangible in your mind. Imagine yourself already in your new position, performing your duties with ease and confidence. Visualize your colleagues congratulating you on your promotion and your boss expressing how proud they are of your hard work. Try to create a vivid mental picture that feels as real as possible. Finally, stay open to receiving signs and opportunities that can lead you closer to your goal. Keep an eye out for any chance to showcase your skills or take on new responsibilities at work. Remain confident in your abilities and believe that you deserve the promotion you desire. With consistent practice and positive thinking, you may find that your visualization technique helps you manifest your promotion in a week or less. In conclusion, Neville Goddard's most powerful visualization technique is a simple and effective way to manifest your desires in a week or less. By using the law of assumption and engaging all your senses during the visualization process, you can transform your thoughts into reality. Remember, the key to success with this technique is to have a clear and specific goal. Write it down as an affirmation. Visualize it as if it were already a reality and repeat the process daily until you achieve your goal. With practice, you can use this technique to manifest anything you desire and create the life you truly want. Have a great time ahead. Happy manifesting!